How do servers work? And their major components. When someone opens his laptop and goes to web browser and start typing the website URL www.temuc.com, the request sent to DNS server. DNS server returns the IP address where the website is located. Then user perform HTTP request and receive HTTP response. Every server has 4 main components. Processor with proper cooling and stable environment. Storage space according to the business need. Bandwidth based on website traffic. RAM to speed up the processes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates.